Hey guys, Carl from How to Make It, the podcast that shares real stories, real strategies, and real insights to help you level up both in life and business. Firstly, I would like to thank you for your patience with me. I know it's been a while since I've shared some new tips and some new content, but I want to let you know we're always working in the background, and we're super excited to be letting you know that we have some great interviews coming up, along with more tips and success stories. So please stay tuned. All right. Let's talk about something that's changing the way professionals and entrepreneurs work every single day. AI. It's exciting, powerful, but with so many tools out there, it can be overwhelming to figure out which one is worth your time and money. So today, I'm breaking down the 3 tips you should consider when choosing and implementing AI tools to optimize the way you work and grow your business. So tip number 1, start with your problem and not the tool. AI is shiny, but don't get caught up in the hype. Before you sign up for the latest tool, ask yourself, what specific problem am I trying to solve? Maybe you need help managing, your customer emails, streamlining scheduling, or generating content. Start with a clear challenge, and that helps you pick the right tool that adds value instead of you just adding another subscription that you will never use. Tip number 2. Test for usability and integration. Not all AI tools are built the same. Some look great on paper, but if they don't fit into your current workflow, they'll just slow you down. When evaluating a tool, test how user-friendly it is and whether it integrates seamlessly with the systems you currently use, such as your CRM, your calendar, or project management software. The goal is seamless adoption, not making your team learn a whole new system that creates more friction. Finally, tip number 3, long-term scalability and security. As your business grows, can this tool grow with you? Does this tool offer advanced features that you might need later on? And equally important, how does it handle your data? AI tools often require access to sensitive information, so always check for strong security standards and compliance with data protection laws. Scalability and security ensure your investment pays off in the long run without creating risks. So remember, when you're looking for your next AI tool, start with the problem, make sure it's easy to use and integrates with your workflow. Always think long-term, scalability, and security. AI can be a game changer for professionals and entrepreneurs, but only if you choose the right tools for your needs. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with someone who's exploring AI for their business. Let's keep building smarter and more effective ways, right here on How to Make It. Take it easy.